You will open Safari on your iPad and navigate to bookcreator.com. Once you're at bookcreator.com, you will sign in with your Google account. You may need to join a library from your teacher who has the code for you to join with. Next, once you're in, you select New Book. Select one of the books formatted on the bottom for comic. So these on the bottom are formatted for comic style. I like this one, but choose the one that matches what you're doing. Then once I'm in, I can tap the I to format the cover. Mine is a little bit different than like the real comic feel, so it's an informational graphic novel. I will head down here and check out some of the options down here. Next, I will add the title and do that with the plus sign up here. And then text, there's some comic style options here. I choose one. Once I have that set, I can use my 2 fingers to turn it. I can use the handles there to stretch it. I can even use that green handle there to turn it. And to format this, I use the I. I can change the font, the color, etc. You always have the undo up here if you change your mind on something. Change the size of it. Then I will navigate to the next page with this little arrow right here. And on this page, I need to choose my frame style, my panels. So I tap the plus sign here, and the panels are down here for my options. And so I choose the panel layout that I like the best. And I'll do different ones on different pages. Now for this page, I'll tap the I for the background, choose my same background to have a consistent look throughout the book. That's my preference. And if I tap on one of these frames, a plus sign shows in the middle. If I use that plus sign to add the picture will take the shape and size of the frame. I can tap the plus sign here. And when I select images, I have an option to upload from my computer or my iPad or search images. I'll start by searching underwater for my background and add that. Once that's in, I can use this arrow option there to move it around to a different view that I might like better. And tap off it to set it. Then I can add more pictures into that frame with the plus sign up here and images. And this time I will choose one from my iPad, photo library, add. And an option on here is that I can remove the background. So I have this, it looks very blacky, it doesn't blend. If I tap the I up here, I can select remove background, and there it is. I can also go into this picture with the pencil here and edit it further. I can erase some of the edges a little bit better to have it blend more. Once I've fixed it up some more, I can tap done, and I can add a caption. So with the plus sign and the text, there's a caption option here, and I can move that into the frame. I can add a speech bubble with the plus sign. At the bottom here, there's some speech and thought bubbles and some special effects. Once I move that in, I can take the green handle and move the caret part of the speech bubble around. Next, I can move to my next. Tap the plus sign to get my background and add more elements. Something else you can do is you can draw your own components. So with the plus sign here, there's a pen option. In the pen option, there is an auto draw option. So if you're not a particularly good artist and you want to have some AI help, you can tap that and then start drawing. and it predicts what you were trying to draw and gives you some suggestions. If you tap one of these suggestions, it changes it. And you have some color options in here too with some extra fun, like these sparkly options here. Tap the X and it's all set. Tap done. There it is. So you have some drawing options within Book Creator. You have some image galleries within there that you can pull from. You can pull images into Book Creator from your camera roll, from the photos that are saved on your iPad. When you finish this page, you tap the arrow, and then this is page 2 of 3. So once you get to page 3, there will be a plus sign on the right side over here to add a page. If you want to see all your pages as an overview all at once, you tap pages. Sometimes that's easier to navigate around when you have a lot of pages to get back and forth. And then this will be saved in your teacher's library for her or him to see as you're working along, and then they can see it when you're done as well.